Hey Connor, got a few IT managers who were using Salesforce Backup, which we now know has been phased out, and they want to try our tool. Can we show them how it works?
Sure, Misbah. We've actually got a ton of clients in the financial services industry and healthcare who use our replication tool for just that. It comes in handy when you need to comply with regulations like SOX and FINRA. I actually have an instance already set up with my Salesforce and my database for replication, as well as history tracking. And we support everything from major databases to data stores. We can simply run an incremental update. And on the left-hand side here, you're going to see all of the objects coming in from my Salesforce. And we've got the account selected right here. And there's all the available fields. So on this right-hand side, we'll go ahead and hit source to DB incremental. It's going to take us to the log screen to show us the progress. Now, while we do that, let's check out our database. So here you can see our replication database. And here you can see our history tracking database. So you can see all of the updates made to this individual Salesforce record. Now, if we go back to the logs, we'll see the progress, and it looks like it has finished.
Aha, that works. So now how do we restore Connor?
Yeah, great question. So on the left-hand side, we have this restore data tab. Now, we know that we updated against the account, and specifically we updated against the account named Salesforce. So if we just look that up, it's going to pull the record up. And what's really cool about this is it's going to highlight all the changes that have been made. So here you can see someone updated the address recently from Salesforce Tower to 1 Market Street, but we know that Salesforce Tower is the correct address. So we want to go ahead and restore that record. So we click restore on the bottom right-hand side here. And this is going to pull up the merge screen. Now, why this is really cool is if you're used to merging things like leads in Salesforce, this is super intuitive. So you select the correct field, so Salesforce Tower being the right address, and then hit review merge. It's going to pull up those records, and we just go ahead and click merge. And it's going to let us know as soon as it's done. Perfect. And now we can go directly to the record. And if we go to details, we'll be able to see that the address has been corrected and restored perfectly.
Impressive. So it solves the backup and restore issue and also adheres with regulatory compliance like SOX and FINRA. Perfect.
You got it.